Okay, so if this left hand, this right hand, the relationship between these two is mirror. Okay, if this is left hand, then this is right hand. What is the relationship between these two hands? I give you 5 seconds to think about it. The answer is 2-4. This axis, so 180 degree. Oh, sorry. No. If this is left hand, then this right hand, then it's not 2-4, but this is mirror. Okay, this is mirror. So this left hand, then this is right hand, mirror. If this is left hand, then this is also left hand. So this is a 180 degree rotation 2-4. You can see that this one rotate 180 degree and come to this position. How about this one? If this is left hand, then this is left hand. What is the relationship between these two? Then this is a 4-4 rotation through this axis, right? See that? 90 degree. See that? And then this point is equal to this point, 90 degree. So this is a 4-4 rotation if both are left hand or both are right hand. How about this one? If this is left hand, then this is left hand. So the 2-4 axis is along this direction, then it rotate 180 degree. Okay? But what if this is left hand and this is right hand? Then you will go through one inversion point. This inversion point, right? So inversion point, the symbol is something like this, bar 1. Then because this is left hand and this is right hand. How about this one? Left hand, right hand. Previously, if the right hand is here, then the inversion point is here. But now if the right hand is here, then the inversion point would come to here, this point. So how do I know is this point is linked this hand to this hand, this hand to this hand, this hand to this hand. You can see that they all cross this point. Okay, so the inversion point will move whenever you move the final image. The rotation axis also can move. So like for the first case, the inversion, the rotation axis is here, this point. And then if I put it this way, then the rotation 4-4 is this direction. This one also this direction, same. But then previously was 4-4, now is 2-4. For this case, it's 2-4 because 180 degree. Okay, clear? So a point of inversion or an inversion operation is denoted by bar 1. So we can see that like this point, if you link to this point, this point if you link to this point, this point link to this point, they all go through one inversion point. So this inversion point we denote it as bar 1. Same thing apply to a pair of hands. So this point we connect this point connect this point, you pass through the same common point. Okay, and this is left hand, this is right hand. This is the left atom, then this will become the right atom. The pair must always have different handles. Okay, so these are the example for A, case A. This is a mirror plane. Why? Because this is left hand, this is right hand, and then the relationship is mirror plane. B, 2, 4 axis. Why? Because the left hand, this is also left hand. So plus and minus just means that one is nearer to Earth and one is point inside the screen. Okay, because this is 2D, it's very difficult for us to present a 3D thing. Okay, plus just means that it's nearer to Earth, and then minus just means it's toward the screen. So it just rotate by 120 degree. Then the case C, if this is left hand, this is right hand. So we have one inversion point here, right? How about case D? Left hand, left hand, left hand, left hand. So this is 3/4 rotational axis. How about E? This is right hand, right hand, this is left hand. So right hand to left hand, this is right hand to left hand, then this is mirror plane. Left hand to right hand, another mirror plane. Then right hand to left hand to right hand. And then this left hand to left hand is through the 2/4 axis. Then this right hand to right hand is through the 2/4 axis. Right? So in short, we have combination of translation, axis, plane, and point. Then you produce rotor inversion, screw axis, and glide plane. These are the basic one. Translation, I explained in the first chapter. Axis, the rotation symmetry, I explained just now. Plane, the mirror plane, I also explained. Point means the inversion point, I also have explained, right? So when we combine these four, let's say like translation combined with axis, you will get screw axis. Translation you combine with plane, then you will get translation with plane you will get glide plane. Glide plane. Then axis with point, you will get rotor inversion. Axis and plane, you will get point. Okay, so this is the symmetry, just a game of combining the basic symmetry, then it will create the advanced symmetry. That's it. So I have explained what is translation, what is axis, what is plane, what is point. Now we are going to the more advanced one that involve the combination of a few symmetry. So now we'll go to the rotor inversion. Okay, now we want to go to the rotor inversion. Okay. So you notice all these ball or this atom have two types. One is something like this. The black are on the top. This one, the black are on the top. Okay. The other one, white